Prishtina is the capital of Kosovo and the largest city by area and population of Kosovo. Prishtina is predominantly populated by ethnic Albanians and constitutes the second largest ethnic Albanian inhabited capital after the capital of Albania, Tirana. Prishtina is famous for its messy architecture with centuries-old Ottoman heritage competing with communist and post-communist designs. Stay tuned to find more interesting things about Prishtina and what you should visit if you come here. But first, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Prishtina is a city of a lot of interesting tourist attractions, but I think the first place to visit here must be the Newborn Monument, a statue that celebrates Kosovo's place as Europe's newest country. Located in front of the Palace of Youth and Sports, the monument was unveiled on the 17th of February 2008, the day that Kosovo formally declared its independence from Serbia. The monument consists of the English language word newborn in capital block letters, and it is repainted annually to signify a new theme for the year. Related to the independence of Kosovo, here in Prishtina is the Bill Clinton Boulevard, named after the American President Bill Clinton, who helped the Albanians in Kosovo in their struggle with the government of Yugoslavia. A 3-meter statue of Clinton was unveiled on the boulevard on the 1st of November 2009, at a ceremony in which the former president spoke. Another interesting attraction of the city is the National Library of Kosovo, considered by many people as the ugliest library in the world. It was built in 1982 in brutalist style, and it has 73 white domes that are supposed to represent the white hats of Kosovo's national costumes. Here are stored collections of rare old books, old newspapers, and Albanian manuscripts with Latin, Greek, and Arabic graphics. Prishtina is famous for its mosques, built during the time when the city was part of the Ottoman Empire. The Karshi Mosque, also known as the Bazaar Mosque, is the oldest building in Prishtina, and it marks the beginning of the old town. The basement of this mosque was laid out in 1389, during the rule of the Ottoman Sultan Bayezid I, and its construction was continued during the reign of Sultan Murad II in the 15th century. The most important mosque of Prishtina is the Imperial Mosque, also known as the King's Mosque, built in 1461. During the Austro-Turkish Wars, at the end of the 17th century, it was temporarily turned into a Catholic church. Another beautiful mosque is the Jashar Pasha Mosque, located in the historic center of the city. Built in 1834, it is a remarkable and notable part of Ottoman cultural heritage in this part of the Balkans. During the Ottoman rule in the 19th century was also built the clock tower. The 26 meters high hexagonal clock tower was made of sandstone and bricks. Another interesting monument from the Ottoman era is the Great Hammam of Pristina, also known as the Turkish baths, built in the 15th century. While Kosovo is predominantly Muslim with a Serbian Orthodox minority, one of the most important religious sites in the city is the Roman Catholic Cathedral of Saint Mother Teresa. Built in 2007, it is dedicated to the Albanian nun Saint Teresa of Calcutta. It was inaugurated in 2010 on the 100th anniversary of Mother Teresa's birthday. In Prishtina used to be over 50 marble fountains from the Ottoman era, but only one survived today. Shadërvan, located between the Çarshi Mosque and the Museum of Kosovo. The Kosovo Museum is the largest museum in Kosovo and is located in an Austro-Hungarian style building from 1889 that previously served as a high military command headquarters. The museum is full of rich collections of the prehistoric era. One of the most prominent pieces is a small statue called the Goddess on Throne, believed to be 6,000 years old. It was found in a site near Prishtina in 1959. Other important museums in Prishtina are the National Gallery of Kosovo, the highest institution of visual arts in Kosovo, and the Prishtina Ethnographic Museum, considered one of the most valued monuments of Kosovo's cultural heritage. Other important monuments in Pristina are the statue of Skanderberg, an Albanian national hero who worked to overthrow the Turks, and the monument to Brotherhood and Unity, a 1960s Yugoslav monument. Another beautiful building that's worth mentioning is the former Hotel Union building, built in 1927. With its combined elements of Neo-Renaissance, Neo-Baroque and Art Nouveau, it was one of the few buildings in Pristina with European architecture influence. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you know other interesting places in Pristina that I forgot to mention, please write about them in a comment below. And remember that you can help our channel to grow by just pressing the like button and by sharing this video with your friends.